Finally, once we're done designing, let's move forward to the mill phase. The mill phase again looks differently, but the essential result is the same. We have our different icons here, and now again, like before, we don't have to go ahead and open and go through different submenus. This is always open. I can select my block size by simply clicking on the block size, and I don't have to go back and forth, and it opens it right away. I can always have this open or off depending on how I want. These are my machines, and am I going to be milling in whichever milling mode I'm connected to? I'm not connected to the milling unit here, so I've got a virtual milling mode. And then do I want to mill this restoration in veneer mode? And as you guys know, veneer mode will change the way the inside of the restoration mills, and it minimizes over milling. It can also prevent you from seeding the restoration, so don't just select veneer mode unless you thoroughly understand what it does. Again, the different options, however I choose to set up my screen here, this will always now remain open. So if I always want to have my analyzing tools and my blocks on the left side and my devices over here and then my display objects here, that's available to me. So most of the time, the ones we're going to use the most are probably the sprue and then changing the block size, and then the display objects can stay over here. Again, you set this to your preference however you want it, and no matter how you set it up, every time you come to this screen, this will always remain the same. Once you've set your sprue position, again, nothing's changed here. We can remember always turn on our jaw so that we can see where that sprue is in relation to the preparation. When we're done with that, we go ahead and hit our mill, and we're ready to finish milling this restoration.